the shoulder blades sink down the back, pressing fingertips into the back. Nose we inhale, draw forward towards the hand. Exhale and lifting the toes and moving into downward facing dog. Making any adjustments that you like here in down dog, pressing through your feet. One, sweeping the abdominal muscles, tilting the tailbone up towards the ceiling, getting a little more lift, a little more length in the hamstrings. Now we'll inhale the right leg up to the side, and as we exhale, bringing that knee through the hands and drawing back and opening up into pigeon pose. Just letting yourself stay open and tall over the leg, deeply into your back neck. Feel your shoulders releasing back, chest stays lifted, abdominal muscles contracted and strong, opening through our feet. Now inhaling. And as we exhale, just hinge forward, allowing the forehead to release the mat into this reclining pigeon pose, allowing the hands to reach overhead if you prefer. Just allow the heel to orient towards the hip rather than rolling over onto this open hip that's forward. Inhaling and exhaling. Take 2 more breaths here, inhaling and exhaling. Now 1 more breath, inhale. And as we exhale, we gently walk our hands forward, lifting up here. And now we'll just bend the back knee, moving more into king pigeon pose. Keeping the chest lifted. If you like, you can reach back towards that foot, flexing the foot, staying strong without the intentionality of bringing your heel to the hip. It's really to deepen the back bend and to open the chest. Allow the hip bone to release toward the floor, which will help your split position. Exhale, releasing that. And we're going to take this pigeon pose now against the wall to make it even deeper. So backing up against the wall, finding the knee against the wall, and letting the shin travel up the entire length of the wall, maintaining that beautiful open position through your hips. We're going to start off by reclining this pigeon so we can release the hip flexor a little more. Pressure of the wall, give you a little more extension in that quadriceps. Another deep breath, inhaling. And then as we exhale, walk the hands back up, gently lift up. And now back bend towards the wall. If you like, you might choose to reach for the wall as well. Through and drawing relief. Now we're taking ourselves closer to the wall to give ourselves a little more depth in our split, standing split against the wall. Let the leg extend up, and then gently walk your hands back until you're feeling that split position right against the wall. Breathe and hold in here. Surrender. Breathe easy, opening through the hips, feeling that front of that top leg side pressing into the wall, just as much as you're pressing the bottom leg's hip into the wall. Another deep breath, inhaling, and then exhale, walk the hands forward, and let's come once again into our extended child's pose, resting here. Pressing with the fingertips, shoulders releasing down and back. Gently breathe into your low back, breathe into your ribs. Inhaling and exhaling. And once again, inhale, drawing forward towards your hands, tucking the toes under, exhaling, and pressing back once again into down facing. And adjust your down dog, let your tailbone tilt up. Feel that full extension of your hamstrings. Allow the backs of the legs to release and lengthen. Feel the heels getting closer to the mat. Let the calf muscles be allowed. Inhale, this time inhale, the left foot up to the side. And as we exhale, drawing that knee through the hands and opening up into our pigeon pose on the side. Just let the hips release down over your torso and in your body. Shoulders stay over hips just for a moment. Let the strength of your legs open you down into the floor as well. We'll take another breath. And on this exhalation, inching forward to our hips, reclining pigeon pose. Forehead towards the mat, releasing your arms and pressing fingertips into the floor, if you like. Allow yourself to fold over that forward. Active intentionality. Walking our hands back up, and lift through the torso. And this time, legs are heavily, right heel to the sky, finding our heel pigeon pose here. You're not staying here, if you like, reaching back towards that foot, opening through the chest and the shoulder. Just being mindful of keeping the thighs close as you can, maintaining that split position. Additional sensation here to open up your quadriceps. Relaxing that foot down, taking this closer to the wall. And our goal as we move towards the wall is to keep that open split position. Allow that knee to meet right in the place where the wall meets the floor. Just let the toe relax now. So open up here, keeping that split position strong to the body. Inhale. Exhale, let's recline in this position. One more breath. Exhale, bring the hands back towards the ears, gently lifting the chest up, this time back. Like you're reaching for the wall.